Zombie apocalypse.
This is the Casecube white noise machine. You see it's pretty small. It's only less than 4 inches around. It's very portable because it's got a rechargeable battery in it, so it doesn't have to be plugged in. And it'll still play up to like 20 hours. So they'll give you a little thank you. Give you the manual, which isn't that hard. I mean, it's got like 24 different sounds, 7 different light colors. So you see how small this is. Fits in your hand. Great to take with you, like in a hotel room with a little crying baby. So it does use a micro C charging cable, which is nice. Charges it faster. You see the power port there. All these buttons are backlit. Let's see if this got any power to it. Yeah, it does. So you can turn the volume up and down. You can change different colors. You can just change to a solid color. There's the fan. It does also have a 30, 60, and 90-minute timer on it, or you can play it continuously. Like I said, it's got the band, it's got music, it's got a whole bunch of different sounds. See how loud this goes. It plays pretty loud too. Like I said, you can keep changing the colors or just let it rotate through the 7 it's got. It does have the little single buttons up here for 30, 60, and 90. Or like I said, you can play it as long as you want. Also, you see them highlight when you push the clock here, so you know what it's on. It's pretty sweet. It's got little rubber feet on it, stop sliding. I like it. You should get it.